Something to think about. You care about the things you touch in the car. You care about the seats and the steering wheel. Why not the floor mats? Cheap floor mats are just that. They're cheap. They look cheap. They feel cheap. They're just cheap. They slide around. They don't do anything to make the interior of your car look any better. Wouldn't it be nice to have floor mats that look rich, properly fit, and make the car feel whole? We do that with Coco Mats from Cocomats.com. We've been putting Coco Mats in our car for decades, and there's a simple reason. They just work and look great, whether it's a vintage car or a modern car. One thing we've noticed about the cheap mats is they just let the dirt sit on top, and then that dirt just blows around and gets everywhere else in your car. Coco Mats, on the other hand, actually trap the dirt. When it's time to clean them, just remove them and shake all the dirt loose. Cocomats.com has a large collection of patterns to work from, guaranteeing an excellent fit in just any make and model, whether it's a Porsche, BMW, Mercedes, or even a truck or an SUV or an economy car. If they don't have a pattern, they'll work with you to develop a new one. So why fight with floor mats that may not fit right and then get wedged under the pedals when you can have something that has an OEM fitment and can be custom styled to your car? To learn more about Cocomats.com, click the link in the description. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and also visit us online at classicmotorsports.com.